Namaste students. In the last lecture, I taught you about the ray diagram formed by concave lenses and also the use of the concave lenses. My last topic was the sign conventions for spherical lenses. Now, today I'll draw the Cartesian system for measurement of the distances in case of the lenses so that it will be easy for you to remember. All the five points I hope that you remember. So by using those 5 points, how it will be easy for you to remember, please have a look. First of all, I'll draw a Cartesian system. You people have learned in your mathematics, this is the Cartesian system, and you know this is the y-axis, this is x dash, that is a negative of the x, this is y dash, that is a negative of the y, and this is x, that is the positive side of the x. This positive side of x, positive side of y, negative side of x, and negative side of the y, and this is origin represented by O. Now we know that this side on the my right side of the origin, points are taken as a positive, and on the above, that is a positive. This is the positive axis of this y. Now on the left of the origin, this is negative axis that of the x part, and downside this is the negative axis for the y part. Fine. So all the 5 points you have to remember, you will able to remember by using this. Now for that, I'll draw one convex lens over this. This is the convex lens, and this is the origin for the coordinate axis and optical center for the lens. Now first point was all the distance to be measured from the optical center. It means if we go right side, it will be, that is the positive side, so x is positive, it means all the distances to be positive. Upside y positive, left side x negative, downside is also, sorry, yes, x side is left side is x negative and downside is y negative. Second point was distance measured in the direction of the incident ray. Suppose the incident ray is coming from this side, incident ray is coming from the left side to right side, so after refraction let it be go towards this one side. Fine, let this be. So let me take another ray, straightway let this be an object. This is A, B is an object. One ray is going parallel to the principal axis. After refraction will pass through a focus. Let this point be the focus. Second ray of light passing through optical center will go undeviatedly, so the image will be formed this one side. Fine, this is the image, so I'll represent it A dash, B dash. Now point number second was distance measured from the optical center to the right. So from here to right side where the image is formed, V is equal to positive. Now distance to the left of the axis, that is here is object, so U is equal to negative. Fine, and the distance above the, so this is the height of an object, so this is h1 and this is height of an object h2. Please remember, height is always taken as a positive, so forget about this one, that this is downside. Fine, so it is on the downside, but height, length, breadth, depth we always take as a positive, so h1 and h2 that will be the positive. So like this it will be easy for you to remember. Next comes the lens formula. The lens formula is, it's 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Fine. This formula is shows the relation between the focal length, distance of an object, and distance of an image. I'll write here what is f, that is the focal length, u object distance, and v is the image distance. In mirror formula, that here between 1 by u and 1 by v and 1 by u, there was a plus sign, and here it is a sign of minus. This is the only difference between these two formula. Fine. Next comes the magnification. Magnification represented by small m. Magnification means how much time more or less the image is as compared to the object. If the that depends upon if the it comes as a complete whole number or greater than the fraction is greater than the 1, then it is magnified. If it is less than 1, then it is a small one. So magnification, that is m, is equal to its height of an image upon height of an object. Either I write h2 upon h1 or hi upon ho. This is height of image. I for image and o for object. Fine. Also, the magnification, there is one more formula, that is image distance upon the object distance, that is v by u. This is image distance upon object distance. This formula will help you in finding the focal length of the or the magnification or the size of an image or size of an object or the distance of them. A very important thing I'm going to tell you is focal length for convex lens is positive, whereas focal length for concave lens is negative. See why it is so. Please have a look. If I draw a convex lens, fine. This is the principal axis. Ray of light comes from the left side. This ray of light comes from this one side. Fine. And this is falling on the left side of the part of the sphere. If I suppose want to complete this one circle, the sphere. What is a spherical lens? This is a part of the sphere. Fine. Combination of the two sphere. If I will complete this one sphere like this, so its center will be somewhere right side. If center is somewhere right side, so focal length, if you remember the principal focus which I told you, that is also on the right side. Fine. This is on the right side and this is optical center. So that's why distance measured from here, optical center. So that's why f, that is the focal length toward of the convex lens, is positive. For concave lens, let this be a concave lens. Fine. And this will be the principal axis. This is the optical center O. Now, a ray of light, suppose coming from left hand side to right hand side, the ray will get diverge. And I told you it seems to be the coming from this one focus. It is imaginary line, so this is a dotted one. And I taught you that this is the principal focus of the concave lens. So this principal focus is basically on the left side of the optical center. Fine. Distance measured, so they from this center. So that's why the concave lens, the focal length is always on the negative, and the convex lens, the focal length is always positive. Now this is a numerical for the lens. Question says an object 2 cm tall 2 centimeter tall means height of an object, that is HO, height of an object 2 centimeter, is placed at an axis of a convex lens. It means we are using convex lens whose focal length is 5. So focal length is, see, now think about a convex lens. This is a convex lens. Draw the Cartesian system. Focal length is towards other side, because if the ray, incident ray will come left side. So focal length is taken as a 5 centimeter. And object is kept at a distance of 10 centimeter. It means if rays are coming from left side, so object is somewhere on the left side. So it means U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the nature, position and the size of an image. Now as we have F and U, so let us find V first. Fine. So from this lens formula, using lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. It's 1 by V minus 1 by U. What is U? Minus 10. So I'll write minus 10 here is equal to 1 by F. Okay, this will become 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. What is the F? That is 5. So I'll substitute here 5. So this is 1 by 5. And the minus and minus, here it becomes plus. When it will go other side, again it will become minus. So 1 by V is equal to, let's take LCM, 10. 5 2s are 2 1s are 2, 10 1s are 1. So 1 by V is equal to, it's 1 by 10, or we can say V is equal to 10 centimeter. Now V has come as positive. It means image is formed on the right side. Fine. Now as we got V is equal to 10 centimeter. So what is V? That is the position of an image. Now next we have to find the nature, that how is the what is the nature of an image. For nature, what we do, we will find the magnification. Magnification is equal to, we know the formula for the magnification, that is M is equal to V by U. Now what is V here is 10, and what is U? U here is minus 10. So upon minus 10. Now 10 cancel with the 10. So what is the magnification? Magnification comes out to be minus 1. Now remember, if magnification it comes out to be minus, it means image is inverted. It means the image is inverted. So the what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image is inverted. Now we got the magnification, M is equal to minus 1, so that is the image is inverted. Now we have to find the size of an image. What is the size of an image? Fine. It means, I erased here. It means we have to find the H of I, HI. Fine. So what is the formula for the magnification in terms of height? That is height of an image upon height of an object. Now what is magnification? That is minus 1. So what is height of an image? We have to find out. Height of an object is given as a 2. It will go on the left hand side. So height of an image is minus 2 centimeter. See, this minus shows that the image is inverted. This minus shows that the image is inverted. So otherwise the height of an image comes out. Height of an image is, it's 2 centimeter. As I told you that we don't take the length, breadth, height in a negative. Now one more thing, this was the numerically solved. Fine. Now one more thing you remember, that I told you about the table of the convex lens. Now I will just, for the rough work, I will try to make you understand where and what type of image is formed by the given information. Now what again, now I am going to tell you with the help of the ray diagram, a rough way, so that it will be easy for you to find out that what type of the nature and the position will come. Now see, what is the focal length is given? That is 5 centimeter. It means F 5 centimeter. And object is kept at a distance of 10 centimeter. That is u is equal to minus 10. Now please have a look to the diagram. Suppose this is a convex lens. This is the optical center. Now if suppose this is the focus, fine, and this is the another focus. We know that the focus is at the same distance from the optical center. This OF dash and OF are the same, and this is 2F. Now what is the focal length? 5. It means OF is 5. This is 5 centimeter, and object is kept at distance of 10. It means, and what is 2F? We also know that the distance between F and 2F is equal to O and F, or simple we can say F is the midpoint of the O and 2F. So if the object is taken kept at a distance of 10 centimeter, it means this is 5, this is more 5, fine, or you can say complete is 10 centimeter. It means this is 5, so double of the focus. It means object is kept at twice of the focus. Now remember the table. When object is at the 2F, so in case of convex lens, image is formed at 2F. And what is the size of image? That is of the equal. Fine, that is of the equal height. So that's why when I have solved, the magnification comes out to be -1. Minus means that is height is down. Fine, otherwise magnification comes out to be 1. So it means 1 means of the same height. So in case suppose we have to draw the ray diagram, so how it will be? A ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the focus. Fine. Second is a ray of light which passing through the optical center will go undividedly. So this will be the ray diagram. Must show the arrow. Fine. So this will be the ray diagram, which shows that where the image will be formed. Using this one, you will get a rough idea that whatever you have solved in the numerical, is it correct or not.